Hello. Today we'll be talking about production and total quality management unit 3. Now unit 3 covers basics of productivity, modes of calculating productivity, quality management, total quality management, philosophies and approach of the management gurus, product and service quality dimensions, and characteristic of quality assurance, quality circle, and cause and effect. So what is the basics of productivity? Productivity is the ratio of output to input in any organization. Total productivity is the systematic and quantitative approach to complete in quantity, quality, price and time. Lewis had defined quality as an asset which may be offered to the potential customer of a product or a service. Productivity and quality management is an art of enhancement of productivity and quality while carrying out production operation functions. Importance of productivity. Globalization of market has increased the multifold competition from national to international players. Profit margins in the buyer markets are diminishing and there is ever-looming threat to survival. The challenges and cost of failure are greater than ever before. Customers are more educated, informed, demanding and efficient, posing greater challenges to the business. Due to internet, consumers are able to compare the product and price across the globe. Resources are becoming scarce and costly. To increase national productivity, prosperity and economy of nation is directly proportional to the productivity. Total productivity model by V. Suman. Total productivity is nothing but total tangible output of a total tangible input. So, tangible output includes value of finished units produced, partial unit produced, dividends from securities, interest and other income. Whereas input, value of human inputs, material purchase, fixed capital, working capital, energy and other expenses. Performance index. Performance is related to personal, whereas production and productivity is related with the quantity produced related with the quantity of input. So performance index is the ratio of same parameters, that is ratio of actual production or work done and standard expected production or work done. Marks obtained by a student in examinations are perfect example of performance index of a student. So the PI, performance index, is equal to actual quantum of output divided by standard quantum of output multiplied by 100%. So let's take an example. Amin is expected to make 100 shirts out of a bale of a cloth of 200 meters. In 5 days, however, he managed to make only 90 shirts. Find out a production, B performance index and C productivity of cloth. So A, production is 90 shirts, B, 90 divided by 100 into 100 is 90%, that is nothing but the performance, and productivity of the cloth is 90 shirts divided by 200 meters. Quality management. So quality is an important dimension of production and operations management. It is not enough to produce goods and services in right quantity and at right time. It is important to ensure that the goods and services produced are of right quality. Quality management includes ensuring proper quality of company's output. Is important not only for its survival in the market but also to extend its market or when it wants to enter into a new product line or various other marketing ventures. Quality control is one of the important aspects of the production planning and control. It is basically concerned with the quality production through regular inspection technique for input raw material production process, in-process product and final products. Quality assurance, assuring of incoming raw materials quality, ensuring that proper processes are operating on the raw materials, ensuring of the quality of outgoing finished goods. So, quality of design and quality of conformance. Quality of design, the intrinsic quality intended in the design. Quality conformance, the degree to which this quality is achieved in production. Cost aspects of quality, to the most of the people, quality means high quality. Generally, the consumer wants the best quality they can buy within the money they can afford to spend. It does not mean that they want only the very best. Importance of quality cannot be underestimated. It is very important for a manufacturer or product or services to be qualitative because the very existence of manufacturer depends on the quality level. Good quality ensures higher profitability, creates goodwill and makes the employment of highly skilled manpower with better wages possible. Poor quality results in the extra cost to a producer. So consequences of poor quality: reduction in sales, manufacturers goodwill in the market, sustain the loss or replace or compensates. Defective goods are required to be sold at discount. Cost, tax, transport, labor, machine time and other overheads. Burden of inventory and blocking of cash flow. So looking at the quality management, it consists of planning, implementation, monitoring and control. So steps to be taken for quality assurance: quality specification for product must be established. There is raw material, component, parts, tools, production and process design. Development and evolvement of the inspection and testing procedure to control. Random checking and testing of the product at various stages and audit. Periodical evaluation of the methods and procedure of inspection. So what are the quality functions? Control functions. To ensure product meets customers' expectation. Product used by the customer is not harmful, injurious and safe for use. Maintain discipline amongst the employees and keep them with a high level. Ensure standard quality materials, equipments, parts, tools are purchased. To keep a check on a various occurring in the production and corrective action. To reduce the generation of waste, spoilage and scrap during the production. To ensure excellent services after sales network to support the customer. The words connected with the qualities reliability, maintainability and availability. So availability is the ratio between the uptime of the product for which product was under use and total of the uptime and downtime. So elements of total quality system for an organization. Quality of work life, creating the new analog, quality tools, design for manufacturing. Statistical process control, your quality system, customer satisfaction, management review, subcontractor management, training, technology development, financial system and quality strategy. TQM, Total Quality Management, Definition and Philosophy. TQM is a management approach of an organization centered on quality based on the participation of all its members and aiming at long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all members of the organization and to society. TQM is a management philosophy that seeks to integrate all organizational functions like finance, design, engineering and production, customer services and so on. The simple objective of TQM is do right thing, right the first time, every time. So there are 8 building blocks of TQM. Act always in line with the customer's needs.